He did complete IOP, SOP, the Victim Impact Panel in the DWI education course. However, there was a pattern of skip test from December all the way up until January 26th. He admitted to using alcohol 3 times after he completed treatment. So that's why they removed him.
You were out. They've now kicked you out of the PTI program. You need to make a decision today what you want to do. You must either accept a plea bargain agreement from the state, or we will set your case for trial today. I'll let you go outside, speak to Joseph to see what you want to do. Do you have offers on this case now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. What are they?
There's a previous time served offer, Your Honor,
Okay.
that's still on the case. Actually, that was Your Honor, I see.
Oh, who's needed?
Would likely, I just have a minute to look at it, Your Honor.
Take your time, no rush. Let's go outside. We'll have you talk to your lawyer and then we'll figure. Mr. Torres Reyes, it may not be today. It may not be tomorrow, next week, next year, but one day, you're going to look back today and say, why the hell didn't I get this done? What's happening today is this DWI will be going on your record.
Yes,
It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. From now on, you are facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new DWIs that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Not only that, the next time you get pulled over, if you smell like alcohol, if you smell like any kind of dope or anything funky, officer's going to come up to your car. They're going to see this. They're going to look at your record. If they smell something, it's probably not going to go well for you.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you understand? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above?
True.
What do you do for a living, sir?
Work as a healthcare representative for Kelsey Siebel.
Okay. So. well, I'm going to have him wait over there. The lawyer's not even here. So just, I have it, take a seat. Your lawyer's not even here. I can't do the play. I thought he was here. Just take a seat. He's not even here. I've admonished Mr. Torres that this is going on his record. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to send you to 3 days in jail. I'm going to give you credit for the 1 day that you have done. I don't know about waiving the fee for the supervisory, for the DPS fee, Joseph. I'm going to have him fill out an affidavit to see if he's truly indigent. Okay? I need you to fill out an affidavit for me. to
Yes,
see if
Judge.
he's indigent as to whether I'm going to waive it or not. As it stands, I'm suspending your license for 180 days. Do not drive.
I don't drive.
Do you understand? It's only bad things are going to happen. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
I don't drive anymore.
Okay, come on. All right, thanks, Joseph.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Limones?
Yes, sir.
Limones, good morning, sir.
Sir.
Your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. I've never met you before. All I know is that you have a charge out of Florida and that you have some criminal history out of here. And that's quite concerning because the last thing I want to do is to give you a bond and you go out there and leave a wake of destruction on the way to Florida. I have enough trouble sleeping as it is. That's not what I want. So it's really hard sometimes to figure out who should we give a bond to, who should we not give a bond to.
Understandable, sir.
So State, tell me about him.
Yes, Judge. He's wanted out of Escambia County, Florida for felony burglary with assault or battery. State's asking for no bond in this case. This was issued, while it was issued March of this year. We're concerned about the facts around this case. It seems that the complaining witness on this case knew the defendant in some kind of relationship, family unit. In this case, complaining witness was inside a car. Defendant went to the driver's side of the car, opened the door, grabbed the female by the legs and dragged her out of the car. Put her in something, just like a full Nelson. So we're concerned about the danger to this complaining witness in this case. Furthermore, we're concerned about the criminal history related to this defendant. He does have a bond forfeiture out of our court. He's also been a previous out-of-county fugitive from Galveston. He has some other criminal history.
Does he have anything else open anywhere else?
He had a criminal mischief that he was convicted of in 2021 out of Galveston, a resisting arrest from 2019 out of Brazoria. He had a probation revocation in 2019 for Brazoria, DUI 2nd, 2019 for Jefferson County. He had an evading motor vehicle from Harris County deferred revoked in 2016 because he had picked up 2 new cases, one of which was a DUI from 2016. That's all I have, Josh.
Judge, the complaining witness in the open case, she's here today in court. I know we don't want to get bogged down in the facts, but she is here today. And yes, he does have some history, but most of it's over 5 years old. Nothing too recent.
The criminal mischief is 2 years old out of Galveston, right? You said it's 21 or?
2021.
2021, so that's 4 years, sorry, I rounded up. So he's not had any contact with law enforcement for 4 years. He's working as a tanker. He works, changing out the seals in the tanks. If he is allowed to pay the fugitive bond, go to Florida and resolve this, then that helps him keep his job.
I don't know. I mean, I truly don't, because while he's got some criminal history, it's not a couple of years ago, but it's a new case, and is it 1 felony? Is it 2 felonies?
It is 1 felony. It's burglary with assault or battery. This is the name of the charge. I do also want to mention on the warrant, it says no contact with the alleged victim. So.
They're telling you not to have contact with the victim, and here,
Okay, speak your honor.
Let me say something, Judge.
don't talk about the case because they can use it against you, but
She's not under the court order. If she wants to come, it's only him that has to stay away from her. I did not realize that.
did you want to say something?
Do I need to say it to you? I don't know who I.
Just don't talk about the facts of the case in Florida. That's all we're going to say, because anything you say there, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they can use against you. I live stream proceedings, so,
Yeah.
people may see it.
If we want to step back in there and you can tell me whatever you need to tell me, I just don't want to.
Sure.
That's okay, please.
Whenever you're ready.
First, Judge. Okay.
Every time he gets on.
Just, okay.
Judge, real quick.
And then. Doesn't.
Okay.
Okay, Judge, without getting too bogged down in the details, of the fugitive or the underlying case. My client also is an Army veteran with an honorable discharge. He's 100% disability from the VA. If you give him a fugitive bond, he's gonna go back to Florida. Because he's got too much to lose if he doesn't.
Was he on bond for this, or is it to be?
I believe it's a 2B.
2B. The state of Florida is requesting no bond until first appearance.
Say it again?
The state of Florida is requesting no bond until first appearance.
Mr. Lemonius, I will give you an opportunity to go turn yourself in. But I'm going to tell you now, I'm not going to do this again.
Holding to, sir.
Everybody tells me that. Everybody tells me if I had one strand of hair, every time someone told me, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. The actions speak louder than words. You telling me this means absolutely nothing because you have rich criminal history, man. And now you got a new case in another state and you're here. So you telling me it's not going to, I mean, really, at what point is it going to take for you to realize that, if you have anger issues, you need to address it. If you have substance abuse issues, you need to address it. If you truly are a veteran, there are services available for you to be able to deal with these things. It's a matter of you wanting to do it, you taking the initiative and being proactive before they put your ass in jail and force you to do it. Is that what it's going to take?
Sir.
Everybody tells me that until they're wearing orange like you are now. Courts really notice when people take proactive, meaning they do stuff on their own to try to address any issues. It really goes a long way. Now, as far as a bond is concerned, I'm not giving you a low bond, but I will set you a bond. I'm going to set you a $5,000 bond, okay? If you do make it, we give you 2 weeks from your release to go turn yourself into Florida. If you fail to do it, you are old enough to understand that actions have consequences. And I'm telling you now, I will not do this again. You ever pick up a new case, if you fail to turn yourself in here, I will revoke the bond. I'm going to set it at 0. Like I said, you won't get another one. And this time I will hold you. And I tell you now, we've had cases where it takes damn near 90 days to get Florida to come down here to pick someone up. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Your Honor, I will note Dave is coming.
Hmm?
Dave is coming up in 3 minutes, he says.
Okay. All right. So so you can put it back for now. Let me see what Dave has to say. I don't know if he has anything that's going to change my mind, but we'll see.